Hi, dear. My name is Hamad Khan, and I am expert and 5 years experience in web designing, web development, graphic designing, Adobe Photoshop, YouTube channel SEO, YouTube videos creating, logo, thumbnail, banner designing, typing, writer, resume, CV designing. I am an expert in Adobe Photoshop, and I can do any background removal, transparent background, cropping, skin retouch, jewelry retouch, all product retouch, image reflection shadow, drop shadow, image resize, and Amazon, eBay products background remove, and photo editing of high quality, etc. professionally. I can guarantee your satisfaction before you place the order. I invite you to experience my friendly service. I have already worked on different companies. Now I am here to showing my experience on Upwork and Fiverr. I want my clients get the best quality of work from me. Client satisfaction is my first priority. I'm now online for you, so if you want, you can message me.